Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO A94, and today I'll show you how we can enable and set up your portable hotspot. So to get started, pull down your notification panel, expand it, and locate the toggle, which for me it's on the second page right over here, called Personal Hotspot. So once you find yours, the first time around you will want to hold the toggle, and this will quickly take you to the settings. And the reason for this is by default the phone generates a random password for it, which without actually going in the settings right here, you have no way of knowing what it is. Now you can quickly view it from here, as you can see, but what I recommend actually doing is just stopping here and then selecting the password and setting up your own. So we can remove this one and set our own. Now the password does need to have at least 8 characters in a length, and that can be letters or numbers or both. Doesn't really matter as long as it has 8 characters in length or more. And additionally, you can change a couple of the settings in here, assuming you know what they do. If you are not aware or not versed in this too well, I would recommend keeping it as it is. This will ensure that your hotspot will function basically anytime you want to use it. If you, for instance, change like the AP band, chances are you might at one point try to connect to your hotspot with a device that does not support 5G or 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi, and if it doesn't and you have it selected, it just simply will not see the hotspot at all. So that's why I recommend keeping it as it is if you're not sure like what the settings here do. Anyway, from here, select the checkbox to save the settings, and we can toggle on our hotspot either from here or by tapping on the toggle right over here, which right now it's enabled, so if I tap on it once more, I'll now turn it off. But that is how you can set it up and use your hotspot, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.